Andhra Pradesh, the war of words between Jagan Mohan Reddy and Chandrababu Naidu that escalates. Jagan, in his latest statement, says killings and atrocities have increased exponentially in Andhra Pradesh. Jagan says the Andhra state is going to reverse under the Naidu regime, attacking Chandrababu Naidu, saying that his agenda is fake propaganda. We know that Jagan Mohan Reddy was in Delhi. He protested against the number of political killings that have been reported from Andhra Pradesh in the last few weeks, basically attributing all of the law and order failure under Chandrababu Naidu's regime, saying soon after he took over, these kind of unprecedented killings and atrocities have increased in Andhra Pradesh. He takes a jibe at Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister, saying under his regime, the state of Andhra Pradesh will reverse. Naidu's agenda is fake propaganda. Words of Jagan Mohan Reddy. Let's have a listen.
ప్రజల దగ్గరికి తీసుకొని పోవాల్సిన వాస్తవాలు కూడా ఇవన్నీ. నిజంగా ఒకసారి గమనిస్తే ఏ రకంగా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు వాగ్దానాల నుంచి, తాను ఇచ్చిన మేనిఫెస్టో వాగ్దానాల నుంచి తాను తప్పుకునేందుకు ఏ రకంగా తాను స్టోరీ తాను బిల్డప్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతా ఉన్నాడు అని ఒకసారి గమనిస్తే, రాష్ట్రం ఆర్థికంగా ధ్వంసం అయిపోయింది అనేది మొదటి స్టోరీ కింద తాను మీడియా డిబేట్లను మొదలెట్టాడు, మాట్లాడడం మొదలెట్టాడు, గవర్నర్ ప్రసంగంలో కూడా తీసుకొచ్చాడు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మొదలెట్టాడు.
Across to Abdul Bashir joining us live from Hyderabad, of course, to give us a sense of what's happening in Andhra Pradesh. Bashir, neighboring Andhra Pradesh, we're seeing political face-off between Jagan Mohan Reddy and Chandrababu Naidu like we've never seen before. Political killings have certainly risen, and we're looking at law and order failure in the last few weeks. But Naidu says this has been so, maybe a lot more under Jagan Mohan Reddy's regime. So, fingers being pointed at one another. Take us through the latest.
Well, after Chandrababu Naidu had taken charge as the Chief Minister, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy had been claiming that more than 30 people have been killed. YSRCP cadre or YSRCP party members, 30 have been killed. More than 300 have been attempted to be murdered is what has been alleged by YSRCP chief YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. So here he had been citing at Nara Lokesh, who had earlier maintained a red book wherein he had written the names of the officers of the party members who have been going against or trying to target TDP leaders during the YSRCP regime, and now the YSRCP chief is claiming that this is being purportedly done by Nara Lokesh and the Chandrababu Naidu government. He's also called on to say that the budget has not been announced by the Chandrababu Naidu government, and these are the stories that the Chandrababu Naidu is creating. However, yesterday during the assembly session, Chandrababu Naidu had asked all the TDP members as to people to stand up, the members to stand up if any case had been filed against them
and
by
we
the
saw
YSRCP.
That almost the entire assembly hall stood up. Right. Abdul Bashir, thanks very much for joining us on that. Fingers being pointed at one another. Unfortunately, it's the common man bearing the brunt of this law and order failure. We're going to continue tracking developments from Andhra Pradesh.